Hey legal professionals, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Here at Legally Techie, we show you how to use Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, for your law firm. Today I'm going to show you how to use the undo send feature within Gmail, also how to extend its time period. And this is great, especially if you accidentally sent an email, maybe a wrong settlement offer or confidential information to someone else that should have been towards another party. It's good to be able to undo those sent emails. So the first thing you want to do is we're going to show you what it looks like. So we're going to send a mock email. So I have my mock email here. I'm going to send it to myself, and we're going to see the option that's going to pop up. So as you see in your bottom left corner, you have the undo button here, and you can go ahead and undo, and it will pop up as a draft message. Here's how to extend the period for more than 5 seconds or more than 10 seconds. You want to go to your settings, see all settings. In your fourth option here, undo send, you can go ahead and extend that to 30 seconds. Now that is the maximum for now. I don't know if Google will ever change that. But here's how you give yourself a 30-second grace period to be able to undo send your emails. So thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them for you.